Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to use a keyboard on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So basically there's more than only one way how to type on this watch. Let me show you all of them. So as a first step, we need to open any application in which you can type. Click on this digital crown to open the app list. After this, I will choose, for example, iMessage. And right here you'd be able to see this bar, where are you supposed to type. If we click on it, the first thing that we can see, we don't have any keyboard. So how I am supposed to type? That's mode, which is named Scribble. So you are supposed to write the letters to type something. For example, I just type hello by drawing these letters. Can't say that this type method is really comfortable and useful, but that exists, and that's fact. So, if you want to type on a basic keyboard, take your finger and swipe this arrow up like this. You will see a list with all of the methods to type in. If we scroll down, we can see just basic English keyboard. Click on it and you would be able to type on basic keyboard. It's kind of small and it can be uncomfortable to type in, but it is a keyboard. So the next method how to type on these watches is voice typing. If we click on this microphone, you can say anything that you want to text and your voice will automatically transfer to a text on your watch. After you are done, just click on this keyboard icon on the right corner and the voice typing will stop and you can easily send this message. This is one of the fastest methods to type on your watch. And the last method how to type on your watch is use your phone. When you are trying to type something on your phone will automatically appear this notification on which you can click and type something on your phone, which will immediately show on your watch. This is really useful and most easiest way how to type on these watches. And that's it. Now you know how to use a keyboard on your Apple Watch Series 9. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.